Do you dream of making money while exploring the digital frontier? Are you ready to uncover the secrets of financial success in the virtual world? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Daytime Dollar, the channel where we empower you to conquer the digital real estate market and turn your dreams into reality. So, get ready to level up your financial game and unlock the potential of the digital realm. But first, let's talk about what exactly digital real estate is. Imagine owning a piece of virtual land where you can build businesses, create content and attract a massive audience. It's like having your own personal empire in the digital landscape. And the best part? The opportunities to make money with digital real estate are booming in 2023. Today, we're going to reveal the latest and most effective strategies that can help you monetize your digital properties and pave the way to financial freedom. 1. Building and selling websites. Websites are the commercial apartments in the digital world. You can invest in them by either building them from scratch or by purchasing them if you have enough money. However, the already established websites are really expensive. Why are they expensive? Because they are already generating profits for their owners, and nobody kills a goose that lays golden eggs. The owners sell websites only when they have a chance to earn a lot more profit than their monthly earnings from the website. On the other hand, building a website from scratch is also profitable. The initial investments are low with content management systems such as WordPress. However, running a website efficiently is a really painstaking task. It would be best if you worked hard to plan keywords that sell. To solve the problem, you can benefit from software such as Google Keyword Planner and many others to get a hold of profitable keywords that can generate traffic. Anyway, the process is lengthy and frustrating. No matter which path you choose, creating the content yourself or hiring freelancers, ranking a website is not easy. 2. Investing in domain names. Just like buying prime real estate in the physical world, investing in premium domain names can be incredibly lucrative. In 2023, the internet is expanding rapidly, and businesses are constantly on the lookout for catchy and brandable domain names. So, think creatively, invest wisely, and sell those domains to the highest bidder. But how do you know which domain names are valuable? Look for domain names that are short, memorable, and aligned with popular industries or trends. And don't forget to check if they have any search engine optimization (SEO) value. That way you'll increase your chances of making a substantial profit when you sell. 3. Creating and monetizing digital products. Digital real estate isn't just about websites and domain names, it's also about the valuable digital products you can create and sell. Think ebooks, online courses, software, templates, or even digital artwork. The possibilities are endless and the profit potential is massive. The question may arise in your mind that how can you create digital products that people actually want? Research your target audience's pain points, desires and interests. Develop products that solve their problems or fulfill their needs. And don't forget to market your products effectively through social media, email lists, and other digital channels to maximize your sales. 4. Flipping social media accounts. Yes, you heard it right. Just like real estate, you can flip social media accounts for profit. Many individuals and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for established social media accounts with a large following. So if you've built an engaged audience on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you've got yourself a valuable piece of digital real estate. You may think that how can I build a large following on social media? The answer is consistency, quality content, and engaging with your audience are key. Be authentic, provide value, and connect with your followers on a deeper level. As your following grows, you'll attract attention from potential buyers who want to leverage your digital real estate. Wow, we've covered 4 incredible strategies to make money with digital real estate in 2023. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, explore the digital real estate market, and start building your empire. Remember, opportunities are endless and the potential for financial freedom is within your reach. That's all for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed this content and want to unlock more secrets to financial success, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.